Botanical Advanced Association, Gujarat. Botany is one of the world's oldest natural science. The Botanical Advanced Association, Gujarat is the very precious trust home for botanists and plant scientists. We support the breadth and diversity of the botanical research and education. Our main area of expertise is in supporting professional botanists and their students, and we also encourage K-12 teachers, community college educators, affiliated professionals and amateurs as members who can benefit from what we have to offer. We are leading society dedicated to botany and its future. The vision and mission of the BAG. Accordingly, vision to be a premier BAG association of the botanical science, technology and human values, aiming at the holistic sustainable development of youth, society and Mother Earth, leading excellence. BAG act as an umbrella organization and augment the strength of the botanical profession and its effective voice in the world of botanical science. The mission of the BAG. The mission of the association shall be to promote the cause of botany, the field of basic science in India and the world across in all its aspects, dealing with the study and inquiry into the form, function, development, diversity, reproduction, evolution and uses of the plant and their interaction within the biosphere. Botanical Advanced Association Gujarat BAG shall attempt to achieve objectives: foster communication within the professional botanical community and between botanists and the rest of humankind, encourage all specialist botanists to join and become active in the Botanical Association at Gujarat, encouraging original investigations, publishing a botanical journal and special monographs, exploration and documentation of the phytodiversity in general and protected areas, hotspots, fragile ecosystem and sacred groves in particular, publications, state and district floras, identification of red list species and species-rich areas needing conservation, ex situ conservation of the critically threatened taxa and botanical gardens, survey and documentation of the traditional knowledge associated with plants, to create awareness about to develop and maintain botanical garden, museum and herbaria at a local level. BAG Executive Members Introduction. Now this is the time to introduction of all esteemed grassroots activists of the Botanical Advanced Association Gujarat BAG. So I would like to introduce first very enthusiastic and well organized personality, our President Dr. N.K. Patel, Head Department of Botany from SET M.N. Science College Patan, Hemchandracharya North Gujarat University. Very trustworthy and talented personality, Vice President Dr. B.A. Jadeja, Head Department of Botany from MD Science College Porbandar, Bhakt Kavi Narsi Mehta University, Junagadh. Credible and responsible personality, Vice President Dr. T.G. Gohil, Head Department of Botany, BKM Science College, Valsad, Veer Narmad, South Gujarat University. Very experienced and talented personality, Vice President Dr. Alpana Shukla, Head Department of Botany from MG Science Institute, Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Very credible and responsible personality, Secretary Dr. Y.B. Dabkar, Principal from R.R. Mehta College of Science and C.L. Parikh College of Commerce, Palanpur, Hemchandracharya, North Gujarat University, Patan. Very capable and harmonious personality, Joint Secretary Dr. S.K. Patel, Head Department of Biology from Gujarat Arts and Science College, Ahmedabad, Gujarat University. Very instinctive and punctual personality, Treasurer Dr. P.P. Parekh from R.J. Shah Science College, Vasna, Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. I would like to introduce executive members of BAG. Very efficient and encouraging personality, myself, Dr. Reena P. Dave, Head Department of Biology from Shri M.N.N. Virani Science College, Rajkot, Saurashtra University. Very dynamic and skillful personality, Dr. S.K. Mehta, Head Department of Botany from Sir P.P. Institute of Science, Bhavnagar University. Very courageous and sincere personality, Dr. Kalpesh Anjaria, Head Department of Biology from Shri R.K. Parikh Arts and Science College, Anand, Sardar Patel University. Very well-rounded and supportive personality, Dr. Kalpesh Sorathia, Head Department of Botany, Tolani College of Arts and Science, Adipur. Kranti Guru, Shyamji Verma, Kutch University, Bhuj. Very courageous and humble personality, Dr. H.M. Ant, Head Department of Botany from Srimati M.G. Panchal Science College, Pilwai, HNGU University, Patan. Very gentle and talented personality, Dr. P.K. Patel, Associate Professor Botany from SPT Arts and Science College, Godhra, Shri Govind Guru University. Very cooperative and intellectual personality, Dr. Dharmendra Shah, Associate Professor Botany, the Maharaja Sayaji Rao University, Baroda. Very zeal and talented personality, Dr. Anjali Varshani, Assistant Professor Botany from Sir P.T. Sarvajanik College of Science, Surat. Thank you so much.